Hello kids. So how are you? I'm here again with a new topic, one more topic of being self-smart of your summer camp activity. So in the previous topic I have told you about table manners, and I hope you all must have seen that video, and I'm sure that you will follow that rules of table manners that will obviously help you. Okay. So today we'll start with a very important topic that will always help you to introduce yourself, to interact yourself with other people. So our today's topic is self-introduction. Self-introduction is why it is an important topic, because when you meet new people, when you meet new friends or strangers, or you go to a new school, you join a new school, or you just go for an interview in a school, all situations you have to introduce yourself in a very effective manner. So our today's topic is self-introduction. So let's start with the topic. So first let me tell you about why introduction means the self-introduction is very important for us, because introducing yourself is much more than saying your name. It's not like when you meet someone new, a stranger or some new friends, you just have to tell your name and that's it. No, it's not like that. तो आपको इतना अच्छे से उनको अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करना है कि जो भी आपसे मिले वो आपसे इम्प्रेस हो जाए कि वाह, ये बच्चा तो बहुत अच्छे से इंट्रोड्यूस करता है अपने आप को, और बहुत अच्छे से मीन्स in such an effective way that the person will remember you and like you, because you know first impression is the last impression. And introduction, if we talk about introduction, it is a way to connect to someone by exchanging words and often physical contact. Introducing yourself to others can be tricky because what you say depends entirely on the context. Means सब लोग अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, ओके, लेकिन सबका वे सेम नहीं होता. कुछ लोगों का इंट्रोडक्शन हमें याद रह जाता है और कुछ लोगों को हम भूल जाते हैं, है ना. वो कम्प्लीटली किस पे डिपेंड करता है? इट विल कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन योर कॉन्टेक्स्ट, कि आपने किस तरह से अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस किया है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ टू इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ इन अ वे विच इज़ अप्रोप्रिएट एंड मेक्स पीपल लाइक एंड रिमेंबर यू. ओके, so let's start with self introduction. I will give you different situations in which you can introduce yourself to others. Like if you meet new friends, if you join a new school, there you have to introduce yourself, or you are going for some summer camp, like you have summer camp in your school. Like other ways, sometimes the summer camp is outside the school. तो आप अगर कहीं summer camp पे जा रहे हैं, वहाँ पे आपको बहुत से new फ्रेंड्स मिलते हैं, तो आपको किस तरह से आपको खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस करना है न्यू फ्रेंड्स को, और किस तरह से उनके साथ इंटरेक्ट करना है, वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन दिस वीडियो. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. So let's start with self introduction. In first situation, I will tell you how to introduce yourself to new people. So first step is tell your name. Like in this picture you can see the girl is saying, "Hello, my name is Nancy." You can also add hi, hey. So first you have to tell your name. Then second thing is you can tell your age. Like in this picture the boy is saying, I am 7 years old. Next step is you have to tell about your school. Like I study in DPS Sirsa and I love my school. You can also add on so that it will impress others. Next is you have to tell about your class. Like I study in grade 1. Next is tell about your friends. Like you can say, I have so many friends, but Riya is my best friend. So you can tell about your best friend too. like you love spending time with Riya, like this you can add. Next is you can also tell about your birthday, like you can say my birthday is on 20th of June. Next you can tell about your hobbies, like in this picture the girl is showing, like you can say I love singing and dancing, and I also love to travel and explore new things, new areas. Then tell about your family. I have 4 members in my family, including me, my mama, my papa, my younger brother. And my mother is a homemaker, and my younger brother studies in class nursery. He is in my same school, like that is in TPS Sirsa. Next thing, you can also tell about your favorite food. Like in this picture the boy is saying my favorite food is fish and chips. So you can also add on something like I like healthy food, we should not eat junk food, that is not good for our health. So I like to eat healthy food. Fish is my favorite food that I like to eat. Next is you can also tell about what you want to be in future. Like in this picture it is shown that the girl wants to be a doctor in future. You can also add on like science is my favorite subject, so I like to be a doctor. I want to help others, like in this period of corona, the doctors are helping others, they are doing their duties very hard. So you can also add on this, like I always love to help others, that's why I want to be a doctor in future. Or else you can also say I want to be an engineer or pilot, depending upon your interest. So you can tell about your future. So this was the situation when you meet new people. Now next, see introducing yourself and meeting new people, like if you are attending a summer camp somewhere else. So first step is you always have to smile. So whenever you want to interact with new people, you want to make new friends, the first step is you always have to welcome them with a smile, because smile is a universal welcome. Smile is the beauty of soul. So give a smile and try to interact with it to make new friends. So in this picture you can see a girl is giving a very cute smile to the other girl to make her friend. Then step 2, say your opener. Opener means you can say hi, hey, hello when you meet some new people. So you can use these words as openers. It will help you to start your interaction. Then third step is acknowledge and use name. When you will tell, means you will invite a person with a good smile, then you can acknowledge, and then you have to introduce yourself by telling your name. So you can see in this picture the girl is saying my name is Nia. So whatever is your name, you can tell your name first, then you will ask other questions from the other people. Then step 4 is ask a question. After telling about your name, then you can ask question from the new people, like how old are you, what's your name, where are you from, because both of you are new to each other, so you can ask these things to them, so that this will help you to be friendly with them. Next is you can ask, have you been to camp before? Or you can ask questions like, what activities are you most excited about because you are on a summer camp? Then in next step you can introduce to others. Like if you have your other friends with you, then you can introduce them. Like she is Jenny, she is also one of my good friend. So you can also be a friend with us. Then after a little interaction, then you can say goodbye at the last. Like you can add these phrases, nice to meet you, nice to meet you too. So this will help you to interact. So kids, I hope the steps that I have shared with you in different situations will help you to introduce yourself effectively and smartly. So I always wish you a good luck and keep learning, be safe, stay healthy and enjoy your holidays. Bye bye.